What is erase? Remove object from a drawing. Find you can erase select object from the drawing. This method does not move the object to the clipboard where they can be use erase option. Erase is a removing drawing from your AutoCAD. Enter and you can erase your drawing also. And you can also undo your drawing. You enter and undo erase. Okay. And if you want to delete, you select the drawing, right click and select drawing and delete option from your keyboard and delete the drawing. And choose another option also, undo again and control plus A and select enter and select all object and delete. So thank you. We will visit again and comment your opinion. If you can does not understand anything, please comment. Okay. Thank you.